Okay, today I'm out here getting some more street practice on my 2023 Kawasaki Ninja 400, getting some more street practice. What I did was I had looked up some mechanics actually online to see if I can try to start to establish a relationship with the mechanic now, because what I want to do is I want to, be able to make sure that my bike is running in tip-top condition at all times, and hopefully also learn a couple of repair tips from the mechanic. So that's where I'm headed to now. Every time I go ride, I have to have a reason for the destination. And I consider this all practice. Man, this Ninja 400 feels so good. If this small displacement bike feels good, oh my goodness, I can just imagine how good a larger bike would feel. Man, I tell you, this just feels so good, bro. If you are just watching this channel, if you're new here, or even if you've been to this channel before, please go ahead and hit subscribe. I'll be uploading new content just about weekly. And I'll be posting Ninja 400 content and just motorcycle riding content in general. I noticed that under the comment section there's a good number of people that they don't even have a motorcycle yet. They're just like looking at the videos and just trying to decide on when to go ahead and pull that trigger. And yes, I highly advise you to definitely go ahead and do it, man. I bought mine's brand new, but if you feel like it'll be better for you to start off used, then that's fine too. I prefer brand new, because if anybody's going to tear it up from the start, I'd rather it be me. Especially being as though I've never been on a motorcycle before. I just want all the components to run super smooth. But I'm sure you can get a used bike that was well maintained, well taken care of, and probably even take it to a mechanic after you buy it to make sure that it has all of its bells and whistles in place. I think I made a mistake right here by getting too close to the car ahead. Fortunately, everything is okay. The car behind me seems like he's chilling. And yeah, I haven't done any mods to this bike as of yet. Under the comment section, people keep urging me to go ahead and get the exhaust upgrade, get the exhaust. I might do that. I may get that at some point in time. I know the rev bomb will feel so much better. But I feel like I just want, I would rather, if I got that money, which is like about 250 bucks, I'd rather put that money towards an intermediate training course. Intermediate MSF training course. I'd rather have the fundamentals down packed before I start, you know, doing modifications and things like that, you know. I'm sorry for this long wait here, guys. I'm gonna give you guys some rev bombs while we're waiting. This light can be brutal at times, but there we go, it changed. Come on, let's go. Look where you want to go, the bike to go. Turn off my turning signals. I'm not the best at turning off my turning signals, but I can tell you I'm better than I was when I first bought the daggone bike. Somebody made a funny comment and said, I thought it was hilarious. He said, you don't have to, you won't forget to turn off your turning signals if you never use them. I thought that was hilarious. I'm not taking that advice, but still, I thought it was hilarious. I'm really not a fan of people that don't use their turning signals, even in their car, whatever, motorcycle, whatever. Look at all that traffic. Oh, and guess what? It is actually rush hour right now. I'm out at a time that I said I will never be out. Tripping. Boy, OG tripping. And if it looks kind of foggy and hazy right now, it's because it actually is. This is we're getting the residual from the Canadian fire, so this is like a part of the hazy smoke down here in Washington, DC. The air quality is bad unless you're on a motorcycle. Just kidding. But the air quality is bad. Look at that downshift. Look at that downshift. Oh my God, the boy's getting better on the downshift. And I didn't even think about it. I wasn't even thinking. Okay, I just did it. Dang, that was dope. Okay, maybe I will get an exhaust just to enjoy that benefit, because that's a major accomplishment. I just downshifted like a pro. Yes, I did. All right, let's get it. Let's get on up here. I was gonna take the highway today, but I was like, no, I'm not there yet. That is where rush hour truly shows its true colors, is on the highway right now. And if you guys saw my last video where I was on the highway, that was on a holiday. That was on a holiday, people. There was no traffic out. What was that, Father's Day? I think, yeah, Father's Day. There was really no traffic. You know, one of the other good things about riding a motorcycle is that it helps you get a good situational awareness. You know, helps you focus on everything that's around you at all times. And I know that sometimes whenever I'm not on my motorcycle, my awareness is almost just as good as it is when I am on a motorcycle. That's pretty dope, pretty dope. I think I'm going to make a video about the top benefits of riding a motorcycle, and that would definitely be one of them. I'm just riding, guys. When I'm quiet, that means that I have to like really focus on everything around me. can't walk and chew gum at the same time. Nice downshift, OG. That one kind of lurched on me a little bit, but it's okay. Check behind me, make sure that car stopped, and she did. Now here's another opportunity for me to get on a pretty busy road. Is right up there. I could do it, but I think I want to take my chances with the side road. Although I do want to get some good footage for you guys on the highway, or at least a faster road. Oh man, I almost feel like I should do it. But let me tell you, they be balling on this highway right here. They be balling, but I'm not gonna do it. Oops, wrong gear. Car right behind me too. That wasn't safe. I thought I was in third trying to get to second, but I was in second trying to get to first by accident. All right, so the highway's over there to my left, and looks like I could have taken it. Doesn't look like they're driving too crazy over there, but it's okay. Just my luck. As soon as I be on it, that's when everybody's driving wild. So it's okay that I stayed over here. It's all right. This used to be a motorcycle dealership right here on my right. Yeah, it's sad that they closed down. I remember being a little kid, I always wanted to go and buy a motorcycle from there, always. And then as soon as I become old enough to be able to get one, and you know, got the funds to be able to get it, the good credit to be able to get it, they closed down. Then I had to drive all the way out to Virginia to get it. And as a DC, Maryland native, we don't like driving to Virginia. We just don't like it. So I'm not that far from the mechanic. So the thing is, like, I know the street that it's on, I just don't know exactly where it is. And you know what, I'm gonna cheat traffic and turn this way. Oh no, Oh no. I couldn't cheat traffic on that one. It's okay. I'm practicing my slow turn maneuvers. But you know what I can do? I can do this. That's the benefit of a motorcycle, baby. You hear me? That's the benefit. Oop, the popo right there too. Right there. Right there. It's alright, it's alright. If he pull me over, I'm just telling, you know, I just tell him the truth. Like, yeah, I saw a sidewalk and I wanted to take it. I wanted to take the sidewalk. Here we go. Look at this dude, Metro. Look at that. He put his nose all the way out there. Okay, I think the mechanic place is over here somewhere. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna end this video right here. I'm gonna go holler at this mechanic and whatnot. Guys, comment, like, subscribe. I got more content coming for you. You know, safety content and things like that. You know, motorcycle safety content for the most part.